How to plot multiple functions on the same figure, in Matplotlib. How can I plot the following three functions, i.e. sin, cos and the addition, on the domain T, in the same figure?
To plot multiple graphs on the same figure, you will have to do
perhaps a more Pythonic way of doing so.
Just use the function plot as follows.
If you want to work with figure, I give an example where you want to plot multiple rock curves in the same figure.
A pretty concise method is to concatenate the function values horizontally to make an array of shape, len, t, 3, and call plot. If the data doesn't come from a number py array and you don't want the number py dependency, zip is your friend. Since there are three different graphs on a single plot, perhaps it makes sense to insert a legend in to distinguish which is which. That can be done easily by passing the label.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.